The Magic 115 to 112 last night. Damian Lillard went 10 for 15 from three-point range.
Lillard front court, Magic backing up. 38 seconds for the period. Lillard around a Leonard pick. Here comes another three on the way. Oh, right. A new career high. 10 3-point.
Booths, it would work electronically with a transponder. And if you don't have a transponder, cameras would identify vehicles.
He picked up his 400th win as Blazers head coach.
Debate by Milwaukee Lumber. And he's righter than you. Program righter than you.
Burnside Bridge. The man is hospitalized and expected to survive. Clackamas County Sheriff's deputies have...
Arrogant, clueless, tone-deaf superstars who are marginal players, good players, made careers, who believe they're Hall of Fame.